Experiencing trouble sending or receiving picture messages on Ultramobile? The most common cause is incorrect APN settings. Your APN acts as the gateway for data connectivity on Ultramobile's network, which runs on T-Mobile's infrastructure. For optimal MMS performance, ensure your APN is correctly configured. For Ultramobile, the APN is typically Ultra. To quickly resolve MMS issues, first try toggling airplane mode on and off. Next, ensure mobile data is enabled. If problems persist, manually check and correct your APN settings in your phone's settings. If you are still experiencing problems, go to the Ultramobile website and use the automated troubleshooting tool that diagnoses APN settings and applies fixes remotely. Remember that data roaming can disrupt MMS if APN settings revert, especially when traveling. A modern alternative to MMS is RCS, or Rich Communication Services, now widely supported on Android devices through Google's Messages app. RCS offers improved features like end-to-end encryption, higher quality image transfers, read receipts, and group chats. To utilize RCS, ensure it's enabled in your Messages app settings under Chat Features. Although iMessage often takes precedence on iPhones, MMS fallback requires correct APN settings if RCS isn't available. For iPhones, install the latest carrier update by going to Settings, General, About. If MMS issues persist after verifying APN settings, consider these advanced steps. First, reset your device's network settings. On iOS, Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. On Android, Settings, General Management, Reset Network Settings. If none of these steps work, contact Ultramobile support via their app or by calling 888-777-0446 for diagnostic checks. In the future, expect Ultramobile to fully integrate RCS into their ecosystem, potentially phasing out MMS entirely. 5G advancements will further enhance picture message speeds, but challenges may include regulatory hurdles for cross-carrier RCS and device fragmentation.